They have made another big update to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this time it is even better than other Android devices. The real performance numbers of Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I have some unique numbers to give. By this time we know Galaxy S24 Ultra will only go to feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but it is a special edition of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 developed for Galaxy, and there are a few of little variances. According to the source, the main big numbers will be clocked at 3.4 GHz, the middle numbers will be clocked at 3.15 GHz plus 2.96 GHz, and we even have the Geekbench results of the Galaxy S24 Ultra where we get 2148 single cores clocked and 6618 multi-cores clocked, which is a big difference, but it is really good against the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and here is the difference. S24 Ultra Cortex X4 is overclocked. Samsung may have done this on purpose to bring greater power efficiency numbers to the table, however with the overclocked Cortex X4 it does not happen. Samsung will also overclock the GPU on the S24 Ultra to 1000 MHz, which is substantially higher than the previous generation and even higher than the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. According to Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 30% quicker than the previous generation and 20% more efficient. It seems like Samsung is taking these things one step ahead with the S24 Ultra. According to certain reliable sources, Samsung has begun production of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a possible launch date of mid-January. However, a news story suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be released on January 17th, which is definitely a Wednesday. Pre-orders will begin the same day, and the phones will be available in stores sometime in February, most likely on February 2nd, with Samsung increasing production of the Galaxy S24 series. According to reports, Samsung's 2024 smartphone production plan is quite ambitious, with a production target of 35 million, which means something big is on the way. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.